to all my students. Today we have a very interesting topic. So the topic for today is telescope functions for 6th graders. Let's check up first to our expected learnings. It is expected to understand the uses of a telescope and also now know the different type of lenses, mirrors, etc. Let's go. Number 1, and first, we have the telescope uses. What do we use telescopes? Well, a telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see far away objects. Most telescopes and all large telescopes work by using curved mirrors to gather and focus light from the night sky. The first telescopes focus light by using pieces of curved clear glass called lenses. Let's continue. Remember, you can pause the video anytime you need it, because this will be so helpful for your research. Alright, so let's continue. Types of telescopes. There are very and different types of telescopes. For example, the refractor telescopes. The refractor telescope uses a lens to gather and focus light. The small telescopes sold in department stores are refractors, as well as those used in riflescopes. And this is an example of a refractor telescope. The refractor telescope. This telescope uses a mirror to gather and focus light. All celestial objects are so far away that all of the light rays coming from them reach the Earth as parallel rays. All modern research telescopes and large amateur ones are of the refractor type because of its advantage over the refractor telescope. And this is an example. So, refractor telescope uses lenses, and the refractor telescope uses mirrors. Now, also, we have the observatories. A great example is the Gemini Observatory. It consists of twin 8.1 meter diameter optical infrared telescopes located on two of the best observing sites on the planet. From their locations on mountains in Hawaii and Chile, Gemini Observatory's telescopes can collectively access the entire sky. So one is in Chile and the other telescope is at Hawaii. Let's continue. So we watched that telescope uses lens and mirrors. Let's see telescope lens. Telescope lens was used in early telescopes. They focus light using pieces of curved clear glass called lenses. However, most telescopes today use curved mirrors to gather light from the night sky. The shape of the mirror or lens in a telescope concentrates light. That light is what we see when we look into a telescope. Now, lenses and mirrors. What is the difference? Lenses bends light passing through it. This makes things less blurry. In a telescope, it makes faraway things seem closer. Unfortunately, a big lens is very heavy. Heavy lenses are hard to make and difficult to hold in the right place. Also, as they get thicker, the glass stops more of the light passing through them. And this is an example of a telescope lens. This is a small one. Now, on the other hand, we have mirrors. A mirror can be very thin. A bigger mirror does not also have to be thicker. Light is concentrated by bouncing off the mirror, so the mirror just has to have the right curved shape. And these are examples of telescope mirrors. Interesting. So let's continue. Some pictures taken with telescopes in observatories and outer space. This is a quasar detected by Hubble telescope in outer space. Now, we have the Lagoon Nebula taken by the Gemini Observatory. This is the Lagoon Nebula. Now, we have a helix taken by the Chandra Observatory of the NASA. This is the helix. And last but not least, black holes dancing taken by the Spitzer in outer space. So, as you can see them, they are very interesting pictures. Aww. This is the end. I'm sorry. But I hope to see you again. And now it's up to you to investigate about outer space using your knowledge. So, bye.